we are so glad that, we Filipinos, no, we often feel, no, our closeness to our families and loved ones, especially during special occasions like this, no? Maganda naman. And I think it connects, no, dito sa ating ebanghelyo, sa ating mga pagbasa, and of course sa ating yung ating celebration, the memorial of Saints Basil and Saint Gregory. Yan, yung kanilang friendship. Yan, kakaluguran. Friends tayo. No? Dapat sila ang maging patron saint din natin, no? Itong dalawang ito. Anyway, if we try to converge ito pong ating mga pagbasa ngayon, no? I think they pinpoint on one theme, and what is this? It's all about friendship rooted in truth, no? Yung katotohanan. Okay? Ito nga yung first reading, yung contrary to katotohanan. Yung ating gospel tungkol sa katotohanan ni John, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman ang first reading, no? Talagang it's a ouch moment. Sabi niya, beloved, who is the liar? Grabe. Sino ba sinungaling sa inyo? Sabi. And whoever denies that Jesus is Christ, whoever denies the Father is the Antichrist. Yan. Kasinungalingan. Ang daming kuminsan mga tao ngayon nabubuhay sa kasanungalingan. Kaya siguro magandang resolution yan, ha? Less lying tayo. Okay. Maganda kung totally we can remove lying. Pero kung minsan sabi nga nila, may white lying father. Okay. White lying daw. Ito nga, no? At sabi dito, when we lie, especially when we deny the Father and the Son, we are anti-Christ. No? I think for me, the first reading today is really an ouch moment. Aray ko. Pag hindi ako na nabubuhay, no, sa katotohanan. Yan, kasinungaling. Ang daming mga, kuminsan ngayon di ba, plastic, o kaya yung mga fake, no? O, sige, at siguro maiisip niyo yung mga ibang tao, o kaya kayo mismo kuminsan, yung mga relasyon natin, kailangan talaga naka-base on the truth. And true enough, John, exemplified, no, truth in his life. Sabi nga, sino ka? No? Are you Elijah, prophet? No. Are you, what is this? Are you the prophet? No. So then, why do you baptize? You know, John could have claimed the credit, di ba? Pwede siyang magsinungaling, ako. Ano pakialam nyo? Pero hindi. The humility was there, and especially, his commitment to the truth. No? I am not. Sabi niya, I am just baptizing with water, but there is one among you whom you do not recognize. And he was telling the truth. No? And connecting it with these two saints, wow. These two saints, no, their friendship really was also rooted in truth. There was no competition. There was no rivalry. They are two geniuses, I tell you. No, both in organizational work and theology, philosophy. Pero ang ganda, walang pag-aaway sa kanila, at lalong-lalo na, they held on to that, no, one truth that parang may blood compact ito yung dalawang ito. And what is that? Their common pursuit of Christ. No? Yun lang ang para sa kanila. No? They did not do their thing there, no, sa Athens, dahil estudyante sila doon, just for their personal interest and their personal growth. But they have one common pursuit. At ito ang kanilang tinanggap na katotohanan sa kanilang buhay. No, walang iwanan. No? And at the same time, ang naging trabaho, no, naging mission itong dalawang ito is to refute this Arian heresy, which is a lie. No? Ito, malaki ang dagok sa simbahan nitong Arianism. Arianism is actually the teaching that Christ is not divine. No? Hindi siya anak created lang siya. Kamukha natin. And of course, that is a heresy. Pero sila, there were strong fortress of orthodoxy. Ano ba? Kaya nga yung Nicene Creed, talagang ano tayo dyan, no? Malaki ang utang na loob natin sa dalawang ito because they were the ones who really defended the Nicene Creed, no? Katotohanan. Sana ang relasyon natin sa isa't isa ay based on that, no? At lalong-lalo na, the second point of this, I think, ito, that we should also, no, acknowledge the strength of our friendship or companionship in mission. Yan. Ito ang para sa akin magandang challenge nito magkaibigan ito. Gamitin natin yung ating mga relasyon, no, sa pagkakaisa natin at para maging malakas itong ating pagkakaisang ito, no, para sa misyon. No? Parang may among you na parating sinasabi niya, para sa misyon. Para sa misyon. Okay? There is strength, no? The strength of our companionship sa mission. At ito nga, itong story ng dalawang ito. And I think, Saint John the Baptist here, although parang siya'y nag-iisa rito, no. He had his disciples with him. Yan. Malakas si John dahil may companion siya. Pag nag-iisa tayo para sa misyon, naku, malakas ang dating natin. At dapat kayo mga Kristiyano, di ba? Ganyan tayo. Because we believe in that idiom, sabi niya, in unity, there is strength. And that is very true in the life of these two particular saints, no? I have my codico here. Kasi gusto kong basahin itong, no? I don't want to miss a thing, sabi nga. While I was praying the Office of the Readings kanina, I came across, no? Kasama dun sa Office of the Readings ito, yung sermon ni Saint Gregory. Tingnan nyo ang kanilang strength, no? In their companionship, no? In carrying their mission. Sabi niya, Basil and I were both in Athens. No? We have come like streams of a river from the same source in our native land, no? Something like that. Had separated from each other in pursuit of learning and were now united again as if by plan for God to arrange it. So ang Panginoon, sabi niya. And then, Saint Gregory was mentioning about how their maturity, their wisdom, no? Paano pinagsama. And then, ano yung outcome nito? Ang kanilang pag-aaral sa Athens, no? Such was the prelude to our friendship, sabi ni Gregory. The kindling of that flame that was bind us together. In this way, we began to feel affection for each other, o BFF sila. When in the course of time, we acknowledge our friendship and recognize, maganda ito, that our ambition was a life of true wisdom. We became everything to each other. We share the same lodging, we share the same table, we share the same desires, we share the same goals. Our love for each other grew daily warmer and deeper. Wow. No? We seem, sabi niya, to be bodies, two bodies with a single spirit. Though we cannot believe those who claim that everything is contained in everything, yet we must believe that in our case, each of us was in the other and with the other. This is a beautiful, ideal way of having our friendship, our companionship. No? Magkasama sila, hindi dahil gusto nila, because they have one common pursuit. No? And that is where you see talagang sila, puro, totoo sa kanilang pagkakaibigan. Totoo ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Itong dalawang friends na to. At ginamit nila yon, no? How they supported and assisted one another. In fact, there was a legend, no? Nabasa ko. I think Gregory was very reluctant, no, in accepting the episcopacy. Ayoko mag-obispo. Sabi nung ano, no? Parang may mga pare, ayoko namin mag-obispo. Agad kaming mamamatay. Dahil sa trabaho. Anyway, sabi ni Basil, Hoy, Gregorio, may pinangako tayo. Ha? May pinangako tayo sa Diyos. May nag-blood compact pa tayo dyan. Di na konsensya itong isa. Sige na nga. Tinanggap niya, naging obispo. Pareho silang naging obispo, no? And of course, itong si Gregory, naging obispo, he helped out in the reformation of monasticism. Kasi ang founder talaga si Basil. So, tingnan niyo ha. And then, eto nga, namatay yung isa. Namatay si Basil. Okay? And during the, parang, ano ba yon? Yung, ano kasi yung tawag dyan? Yung nag-speech pagka may patay. No? Nakalimutan ko na. Sorry, necrology ba? Sige. Anyway, nagsalita itong isa. At sabi niya, ito yung sinabi niya na talagang I was really, stuck with the way Basil, ang sinabi niya rito. At ano yung sinabi niya during that parang necrological service? Sabi niya, ito, Basil and I, sabi ni Gregory, were one in our purpose. Now, kahit napatay siya, I must carry forward what we began together. Yung inumpisahan namin, itutuloy ko. No? Itutuloy ko. Wow. That is how deep their friendship, no? Parang yung mga nanood ng Unmarried, di ba? Pagkatapos nito, walang iwanan. Pero yung isang buhay, iniwan niya, no? Pero maganda naman yung storya, di ba? Ganyan, no? I must carry forward what we began together. I think this is a beautiful, for me, it applies because this is a beautiful way of, starting our new year. Tayo dito sa radyo, no? Sana sama-sama tayo. No? Sabi nga, we must carry forward what we began together. No? Itong inumpisahan natin, of course, through the grace of God, hindi natin apostolate ito. I think sa parish, ganyan din. Sa ating mga communities. No? Inumpisahan natin, tatapusin natin, no? Na sama-sama tayo. Kaya, once again, let us bring along this beautiful message, no? And one New Year's resolution, sana less lying tayo. No? Sana yung ating pagsasama, it is rooted in the truth. Just like John, just like Basil and Gregory. And at the same time, let us find the strength in our companionship. And let us use this strength to carry on the mission of Christ. And at the same time, to carry it, no, with utmost dedication and commitment and our common pursuit of Christ. This is a message for all of us. May this new year brings, a deeper commitment to pursue the vision and mission entrusted to us by the Lord. And what we have begun, we will complete with God's grace together. Amen.